I felt really, really excited to meet Sid, and it was really unexpected when I walked through the door to see her. There was a bird on her head, which was really amusing. On day one, we were talking about light and vision, so I learned about mirrors and reflections and refractions.
We did a very cool experiment where they could see a coin disappear in a glass beaker by pouring water and seeing how refraction happens in play. They also used different prisms to learn more about how refraction works. We also participated in a variety of different activities around how the eye works through Kung Fu science, through looking at models, and eventually they had the opportunity to dissect a real eyeball and to see a lens in real life.
We learned about the human eye, and it was really fascinating to see about all the different parts that allow ourselves to see the world.
My favourite physical bit was probably the eye dissection, because it was really interesting learning how strong the eye muscles actually are, but it's really, really tricky to cut through them.
So you can look inside the eye and everything from a closer perspective.
On day 2, we had a fantastic day on electrostatics and electricity. The students did a variety of different experiments learning about what electrostatics is, and they were able to make weird things happen.
They do really cool experiments like picking up paper with a rod, bending water.
They also had the opportunity to see their hair stand on end during the Van de Graaff generator experiment and seeing foil float in the air. They did a variety of electrical experiments and worked out the voltage and the current of the electrical circuit. They learned about series and parallel circuits and had a go at learning about all the different components that build up a circuit. We even made a human circuit.
On the second day, we were talking about electricity, and I loved learning about how bulbs work and how plugs work. So I actually got to make a plug, so now I know how all of my electronics are charged.
So all in all, our first Science Week was a huge success, and it was made a huge success by the amazing students that we had.
I also really liked the activities like bowling.
Bowling was really good. It was like having a normal social event.
It was fantastic. We had a team of students versus the parents and the adults, and it was a fantastic way to end the day, have some snacks, have some fun, and to really spend some time together to get to know each other a lot better.